See what these Honda Civic owners are cooking with. I mean, this one's going for 1,500 buckaroonies. Like, holy freaking A, dude. This thing's seen some better freaking days, but what year is this from? 1993, a Honda Civic going for 1,500, listed a week ago in North Cowichan, BC. Good old fucking Cowichan, eh? Good old Cowichan. This one's been driven 300,000 kilometers exactly, apparently, on a good old manual transmission. I mean, it doesn't look too shabby. It's Honda Civic, got its rust in the rear quarter panels. Wait, and you're in BC? You got rust? No way. I mean, they still get their rust, but hey, it's a shit box. It even has the badge. Good old shit box, eh? What are we cooking with? Let's see if he's cooking good. Oh, he's cooking good. He's sucking us up with the pros to the cons. What are we cooking with? He's got a 93 EG Civic. Pros, a 5-speed standard. Water pump done 2024. Front to main seal and tensioner replaced. Alternator updated 5 years ago. Oh, really? Indeed, it looks like you just stripped the fuck out of this interior. Because where the fuck is the shit that was here before, eh? Oh, my goodness. Why is it always with these Honda Civics that their seats are so fucking clean, especially in the older generation? Like, there's no tears whatsoever, but it's got a new ignition in 2024, so 2 separate keys from 10 feel okay. Tinted windows, expected rear because it was replaced last year as well. And what did you do to your fucking flooring? Because that hammer's rusted to shit, and oh, you got all the wires exposed. But I mean, the seats look bad. Oh, he's a monster drinker. Is your name Kyle? Are you a fucking Kyle there, buddy? You Kyle with Scoob and freaking Shaggy in the back on his zoink spots, or like, what's going on? New fuel pump and filter in 2024. Comes with deck and amp wired for a 12-inch sub. Has a bass knob. Oh yeah, your good old freaking Honda Civic, all stock and whatnot. Oh, he's even got the cats on still, eh? So this thing ain't straight piped, it ain't obnoxious, and ain't annoying. So, $1,500. It's an alright deal. I mean, yeah, $1,500 in North Cowichan, BC. So ain't too shabby. I mean, I guess it is what it is. More as in, what does he say? Cons rust on rear quarter panels. Yeah, clear coat is peeling. Clear coat is peeling like all 90 Hondas. There's a crack in the exhaust just before the muffler, so it sounds loud like a typical Honda. Oh, I thought it was gonna be obnoxiously loud. Like, not on purpose, but I guess it is what it is. More as in, doesn't look too shabby though. He's got a good amount of tread on these 4-bolt tires, eh? Oh yeah, buddy. Dude, this thing's ready to go for days on end still. Somebody should go buy this for $1,500, put a lift kit on it, or an oil pan protector, and just take this thing money and seeing what it can do, more. And that'd be wild if somebody did that. Car could use rear control arms. Tires are old, but still do. Needs a new distributor to run again. No spark plug. Doesn't run right now at the moment. But hey, we got a full tank, not too shabby. No RPMs, just the temperature and your kilometers on these good old manuals, 5 speeds. Is your carpet though? That's my real question. What did you do to your carpet? Did you get bored? Just huck that shit? Yeah, fuck this carpet. This shit carpet shit. Yeah, ain't too bad. $1,500. Or would you rather spend $5,500 on a 2003 Honda Civic with a what the kind of shifter knob is this? And I bet you that's some fake ass carbon right there. Like, buddy, what are you cooking with? Got some good decent seats. Oh, it's one of these weird Honda Civics. It's apparently claiming to be a Civic, but it's like a written off weird brand, but it's got an IV Tech dock engine. It's got the dock, bruh. Listed 2 days ago in Calgary, Alberta. Driven only 143,000 kilometers on a sweet manual transmission. Don't get me wrong, the tires look freaking phenomenal, and Buddy's got a good amount of shit going on here. In the description, he says, looking to sell my Honda, sir. Why the fuck are we... Oh. What? What did you... What? What did you do to this poor seat, man? Did you just take a shit? Did you shit your pants and then have to get some baking soda on there? That's what it looks like. You shit your pants so hard it leaked through your pants to your seat. And now you put on some baking soda down there. You're like, I gotta cover this shit up, brother. Nah, don't call me ever. Don't ever say that. I should have never say that. I'll go give myself a swirly in a second here for even saying that. Oh, God. Ugh, gross. Oh, he's one of those people. He's got a weird little pooch in the back of a stuffy with a heart. Unless it's his girlfriend that makes him keep it back there. Unless he's whipped. Hey, fellas, let me know. Do you know somebody in your life that's absolutely whipped as because of their girl? Or is he actually a man and can actually go be a big boy and keep the things he loves in his life the way it is? Or is he fucking whip to a shit more as in, I don't know. Car is bone stock besides the wheels, engine, and tranny are healthy. No leak or any grinds. Actual kilometers around 250,000, but ODO reads 149. What? Place it because there was something wrong with the original cluster, but it still has it. Interior could use some TLC. I would say 6 out of 10. Yeah, no shit. It looks like you shit your pants on one of those seats, bro. Some baking soda on there. You're like, ah, shit, dog. Gotta cover that up. Gotta get rid of that little ass shit streak there, you know? Like, dude, this Sir. Why do they call it the Sir? It just looks stupid, this car. Look at this thing. It just looks stupid as shit. So with some people's taste, well, hey, to be honest, look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. They're beautiful, and they're not fucking stanced, not slammed to the ground. So, you know what? It's a good bang for your fucking buck. You know, this thing ain't looking retarded. You know, this thing ain't looking goofed to the fucking max. Like, buddy, come on. Previous hailstorm and rust are pretty bad on the passenger side. I'm probably missing some few things, but overall, I would say car would be a good daily or project. I got all the invoice on what I have replaced on the car of my couple years of owning it. Engine light is on due to an O2 sensor. SRS light is also on. Some seatbelt issues. I dropped something inside and I just went on. Really? What do you mean you dropped something inside your seatbelt? Like into that little sliver of a seatbelt, and you're just like, whatever. And to get wrapped up in the rolled down there or something more as in, I don't fucking know. He says he has a HFP body kit inside out. What the fuck? Willing to trade for an 8th Gen SI or RSX Type S. Really? With this funky looking of a shifter, like what the fuck is this shit? It's like, like right up to the fucking goddamn air. It's like, yoo-hoo, adios amigo. And I don't know, boys, what the fuck are you guys cooking with? You cooking with this weird goofy ass Sir of a car that likes to be called Sir, or would you rather own this 2000 Honda Civic going for a whopping $8,000? And yes, it's listed 6 days ago in Calgary, Alberta. It's got no rust on it. Looks like, as in from what we can see, it's trying to sell for $8,000 with 320,000 kilometers on it. Or is he cooked? I mean, the tires don't look too shabby. My goodness, they look actually pretty good with a good amount of tread, nice rims. They look freaking gorgeous, to be honest. And for more info, Sir model, engine light, O2 sensor. He's got a Sir too. What the fuck though, bro? You're literally asking $8,000, barely any information, some of the most shittiest pictures I've ever seen in my life, and you're trying to get $8,000. No pop in the hood, not trying to show a titty slip pic, you know, more as in, not showing the underbelly, seeing if you're a little beef chungy down there, you're showing your little fit, you know, more as in, like, what the fuck, bro? But, at least from what I can see, I don't see any rust. Looks beautiful. Not even showing the inside. Not even showing your guts of the inside of the cab. Like, come on, bro. Rims, they're better than the fucking white ones, bro. Way better than the white ones. Like, what the fuck was that other shit? I'd rather these rims over the white. I did not like white. Not one bit. But yet I gave them some love on it. But, I don't know. But $8,000? Are you cooked to the fucking max? I mean, it's a manual. It's a manual. Don't get me wrong. But 320,000 kilometers? That is absolutely bucko fucking wild. Like, what the hell, bro? Or would you rather own this 1999 Honda Civic going for a $9,400? And yes, it's got 199,000 kilometers on it. What the fuck are we cooking with? 99,000 kilometers on a sweet, sweet manual transmission. Oh yeah, these rims look good, but white, nah, I'll pass. Oh, he's even got the fog lights in there. No way. What is he saying? Oh, that's on the motor. 250,000 kilometers on the body. Modless on the last photo. Oh, you're one of those guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's got a Mobo. Got some boost gauges. That's just one. What else are we cooking with? Oh, is he getting like spicy? Let's put some carbon fiber on there. Oh, yeah. He's one of those bad boys. Ooh. Oh, dude, that's clean. Oh, my God. Dude. Oh, my God. This guy got spicy with it. God damn, son. Holy freaking A. What were you cooking with lately, my guy? Oh, yeah. He's got a lot going on. So ain't too shabby there, buckaroony. But, buddy, you weren't kidding. So, I mean, I don't know, fellas. If you guys want to go through this entire list, go for it. Pause the video here. Check it out. But, like, from what we can see, it's goddamn clean. He showed us the inside. He's showing us around. It's a good old manual, so, oh, buddy, you know, it's a good bang for your buck. And then he shows us the engine bay, even spicier. Like, holy fucking A, bro. Dude, this guy wasn't messing around. $9,400 though, is it really worth it? I don't know, fellas. You tell me from this mod list here and find out for yourselves more as in. Because I don't really feel like reading through it. Screw that shit. But this thing, oh man, bro, it's looking clean. But what the fuck is this shit? What is this? Well, what? Eh? Who? What? When? Where? Why? I don't know, fellas. You got four banger options of Honda Civics from the cheapest to the most expensive. Which one would you choose and why would you choose it? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section and I'll see you in the next. I mean, you got four banger options, weird ass, goofy looking Honda Civic. And then you go from the cheapest, looks like a green Ninja Turtle or what the fuck is this shit? I mean, it's not bad, $1,500, but it just doesn't run and you need to replace a little something in there. And other than that, it's the best bang for your goddamn buck. I don't know, buckaroonies. You got four banger options. Which one are you choosing? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next. Peace.